मुझसे दूर रहो। Get away from me. Get away from me. गुस्सा होने से काम नहीं चलेगा। Getting angry won't work. Getting angry won't work. निकलो यहां से। Get lost. Get lost. मेरे ऊपर से हाथ हटाओ। Get off me. Get off me. अपने बराबर वालों को इज्जत दो। Get due regards to your equals. Give due regards to your equals. जाओ और मजे करो। Go and enjoy yourself. Go and enjoy yourself. भाड़ में जाओ। Go to hell. Go to hell. खुदा ना खास्ता। God forbid. God forbid. अकेले दुकेले का अल्लाह बेली। God protects the friendless. God protects the friendless. जितना गुड़ डालोगे उतना ही मीठा होगा। Good materials, good works. Good materials, good works. उसकी मुट्ठी गर्म कर दो। Grace his palm. Grace his palm. अल्लाह सफर मुबारक करे। Have a pleasant journey. Have a pleasant journey. भिखारी पर तरस खाकर मैंने उसे कुछ पैसे दे दिए। Having felt pity for the beggar, I gave him some money. Having felt pity for the beggar, I gave him some money. वो आज उदास दिखाई दे रहा है। He appears to be sad today. He appears to be sad today. वो आइन वक्त पर आया। He came in the nick of time. He came in the nick of time. उसने मेरी गर्दन पकड़ी। He caught me by the neck. He caught me by the neck. उसने ऐसा बार बार किया। He did it again and again. He did it again and again. वो गहरी नींद में जा चुका है। He has fallen into a deep slumber. He has fallen into a deep slumber. उसका दिल पत्थर का है। He has an adamant heart. He has an adamant heart. वो अपनी बात का पक्का है। He is a man of his word. He is a man of his word. वो अपने साए से डरता है। He is afraid of his own shadow. He is afraid of his own shadow. वो अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रहा है। He is doing his best. He is doing his best. घर में चिराग तक नहीं जलता। He is extremely poor. He is extremely poor. वो दिल का नर्म है। He is kind at heart. He is kind at heart. उसको बुखार चढ़ा है। He is laid up with a fever. He is laid up with a fever. आदिल पसंद होने की वजह से हर एक उससे मोहब्बत करता है। He is loved by everyone for being just. He is loved by everyone for being just. وہ کلاس میں مجھ سے بہت نیچے ہے. He is much below me in the class. He is much below me in the class. وہ تیش میں ہے. He is on a rampage. He is on a rampage. وہ سچ مچ محنت کر رہا ہے. He is really working hard. He is really working hard. وہ مالدار ہے پھر بھی ناخوش ہے. He is rich, yet he is unhappy. He is rich, yet he is unhappy. وہ مجھ پر بہت مہربان ہے. He is very kind to me. He is very kind to me. پانچوں انگلیاں گھی میں ہیں. He lives on the fat of the land. He lives on the fat of the land. اس نے ایسا کبھی نہیں کہا. He never said so. He never said so. اس نے اس کو کوئی اہمیت نہیں دی. He paid no attention to him. He paid no attention to him. وہ اتنی زور سے بولا کہ ہال میں موجود تمام لوگوں نے اسے واضح طور پر سنا. He spoke so loudly that everyone in the hall heard him clearly. He spoke so loudly that everyone in the hall heard him clearly. اس کو سب کی فکر ہے. He takes care of all. He takes care of all. وہ محو گفتگو تھا. He was busy in conversation. He was busy in conversation. جو کچھ اس نے کیا تھا اس پر وہ واقعی بہت پشیماں تھا. He was really very sorry for what he had done. He was really very sorry for what he had done. وہ مفت میں کام کرتا ہے. He works for free. He works for free. وہ بولنے کے مقابلے میں لکھتا اچھا ہے. He writes better than he speaks. He writes better than he speaks. تندرستی ہزار نعمت ہے. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. اس کا چہرہ غصے سے لال ہو گیا. Her face grew red with anger. Her face grew red with anger. یہ لیجیے. Here you go. Here you go. ارے دھیان دو آپ میرے پیر پر کھڑے ہیں. Here, mind. You are standing on my foot. Here, mind. You are standing on my foot. اتنی تاخیر کیسے ہوئی آپ کو؟ How come you are so late? How come you are so late? اس کے کان کھڑے ہو گئے. His ears perked up. His ears perked up. اس کا چہرہ اتر گیا. His face fell. His face fell. غصہ اس کی ناک پر رہتا ہے. His nose is always red with passion. His nose is always red with passion. مضبوطی سے پکڑو. Hold firmly. Hold firmly. اپنی زبان پر قابو رکھو. Hold your tongue. you.